Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Zoom microphone appears to be having an issue or is not being picked up in the Zoom application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I'd actually recommend doing here would be to go and right click on the sound or speaker icon in your system tray and select Open Sound Settings. On the right side, select Manage Sound Devices. And now locate whatever your input devices you're having the problem with here and just make sure it's set to enabled. So if this is disabled, that means it's enabled. And if this is enable, go ahead and select the enable button. And then you have the option to actually go ahead and test it. So if you selected an output device or an input device and selected the test button, you should hear a sound through it depending on whether it's a speaker or a microphone. So again, pretty straightforward process there, guys. And if you close out of here, another thing you can try here would be to open up the start menu, type in control panel. Best result should go back with control panel. So go ahead and open that up. Just left click on it. Select the view by up at the top right and select large categories and select the sound option. Make sure you have your correct recording device, so select the recording tab, set the correct microphone here if there's multiple ones listed, and select set default just to make sure you set it correctly there. And that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, you can also attempt to reinstall Zoom as a further step there, but hopefully that should be able to resolve the problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.